Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial. Now, in a previous video I showed how to draw a stencil onto your eye shape to create the shape you want and blend it out with a sponge. But a lot of people were commenting that they had difficulty doing it freehand, so we're going to do it with a stencil and show you how quick it is. So all you need is a tissue, fold it in half so you can get a guideline. You want the guideline to end at the tail of your brow and the outside corner of your eye. Next, with an eyeshadow of your choice, I want you to go into the crease of the eye or where you want the shadow to be the deepest and just go in a windshield wiper motion back and forward like this, and then taking that same color, bringing it down onto the outside corner of your eye, and then you're done. Next, you're going to take your sponge, and again you're going to dip this directly into a really nice cream concealer or foundation, and then dab off the excess onto the back of your hand. Now you're going to take that sponge and you're going to very lightly blend these edges up and out into the brow bone and the brow to bleed these edges into next to nothing so that it blends into the skin, as you can see it's doing now, into this really pretty effect. When you're happy with the blending, we're going to take it a step further. We'll add a nice highlight color to the eyelid and deepen that outside corner. So I'm going to take a smaller brush and a nice light shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this now just to the eyelid to brighten it and open it up. You can also add a touch if you want, just to the upper part of the brow bone, and then with your finger just blend that in because you don't want it too strong. Now take a deeper color, one that you like. I'm going to use a dark brown, and with your stencil place this back on the eye and then very lightly just shade the lower part of the lid, the depth. Knock off all the excess on the back and then blend this in. Now we're going to take that same triangle, dip the other edge, the clean edge, into your concealer, and we're just going to clean up that outside edge. And this just sharpens the edge and gives a really nice clean effect. Now all we need is some mascara. Take your favorite mascara, whatever it is, knock off the excess on the back of your hand, and then coat your lashes and be happy that you've completed the look. And there you go. Your eyeshadow is done in record time. You are an expert at blending because of the process of using a sponge and a concealer that's your same skin tone. Everything is done, simple, easy, and now you know more than most people on earth about eyeshadow. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.